Hey guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's video without having the further delay. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 23rd May 2025, and today is Friday, and of the continuous shooting of the day 534th days of routine video I'm gonna to share you. So let's start. So basically today, first of all, I wake up, then after that I wash my mouth, then after that I study. Basically this is the usual thing what I do after waking up at the time of morning. Yeah, sometimes it's not happen, but due to some reason, and it happens very rare. So then what is actually I had done, I was just trying to that ticket basically the thing is that the train ticket is not made still yet, and I was just trying to check it, and suddenly what is actually happened, I was just trying to check from the IRCTC app, that is Indian Railways app. So I was just trying to check that can I make the ticket, can I make the train ticket from there, but they are showing something, but suddenly I had made a one ticket, right? So basically my mother and I have to go from Bihar to Delhi, so I made a ticket for that, and basically what is actually happened, there is a one senior citizen category, not general citizen category. So there in a female required at least 45 years to be a senior, but I thought that there should be a 60 years for female. So but now but I was wrong on that time, but as per train I am telling you, so they only for 45 years of female is considered as senior citizen. So yes, so I just trying to check from there. So basically my mother's ticket was made, and basically this is a thing what is actually happened. Then the ticket is already made, I told to my mother, like that basically that is such kind of things what is actually happened, right? Then after that, after some time later, I went to the outside from my sister's home, and to the field, right? Then after that, all the all the cons, that is in Hindi which is situated to the field via tractor. Then after that I sit at the tractor, then after that we reach to the home, and I jumped from the running tractor. Basically the tractor is running slowly, that is why I jumped, just because tractor was about to stop just a few steps before, so I was just trying to jump from there. But I thought that this will not stop, right? But that was stopped. So basically, I jumped from there, and what has actually happened? I told to my all the nephew and niece, and after that we came home. Then after some time later, again we, that means me and as well as my nephew and niece, went to the tractor. Then again we went to the field where I saw my sister and my sister's husband to the field, and they were just trying to prepare all the corns from the field. So I also helped them. Then after that, after some time later, we came home, right? Basically this is the thing what is actually happened on that time, right? Then after that I came home, then I washed my mouth, then I at the time of evening I ate food, and sorry basically when I came home, then I washed my mouth, then I ate food, then after that I played with my nephew and niece, and at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically this is a thing what is actually happened, guys, in my today's tutorial video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. Yes guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. So now I'm gonna to revise. Basically from the previous some videos I was revising business law, so sorry, company laws subject. Today in this video I'm gonna to revise the EVA, that is Environmental Science Theory into Practice 1 Ability Enhancement Course, AEC Semester 2nd Course Grade 2. And here is also written first, I don't know why. So basically here is a book, let me show you. Here is the book, all UZ courses, here is written, right? So let's start. So let's come from the very first, from the contents. First lesson is Introduction to Environmental Science. Lesson 2, Ecosystem Concept, Structure, Pyramids and Succession. Okay. Lesson 3, Ecosystem, Biogeochemical Cycles, Functions, Energy Flow and Productivity. Lesson 4, Ecosystem Types and Services. Lesson 5, natural resources, land resources. Lesson 6, water resources. Lesson 7, energy resources. Lesson 8, pollution, air, noise and nuclear pollution. Lesson 9, water, thermal and soil pollution. Lesson 10, solid waste management and case history. Then after that, glossary. Right. So let's start from the very first chapter, that is Introduction to Environmental Studies. So, learning objectives: make the reader aware of the environment, it is important and basic component, develop the understanding of the concept, scope and importance of the discipline of environment study, discuss the concept and necessity of a multidisciplinary approach to the subject, right? So be aware of the historic milestones of the environment and environmental education. Make the readers know about the origin of the concept of sustainability and sustainable development. Now introduction. The term environment is derived from the French word environ, which literally means surrounding. Anything and everything which surrounds us, that is all living beings or biotic components, microbes, plants and animals, and non-living or abiotic components, air, water, sunlight, etc. present in nature form the environment. The Environmental Protection Act of 1986 defines the environment as environment includes water, air and land and the interrelationship which exists among the between water, air and land and human beings, other living creatures, right? So yes, now components of environment. Planet Earth is only known as a planet in the universe with a diversity of life. As earlier mentioned, life could have been possible on the planet only because of the healthy interactions between biotic and abiotic components in such a manner where the flow of energy and geochemical cycle follows a well-defined path. The planet Earth is categorized into different spheres which represent solid, rock, soil, liquid, water and gaseous air phases. The overlapping zone of the three spheres where life is available is called the biosphere. A brief description of these spheres is given below. Now the first, 1.3.1 is lithosphere. Greek lithos means rock. Earth's structure can be stratified into outer crust, middle, mantle and inner core region. Lithosphere is the outermost layer of the crust which represents the land mass of the planet. It consists of rocks, soils, sediments and minerals. Various geological structures or landforms like high mountains, plateaus, deep valleys and seabeds make the surface of the lithosphere uneven. Mount Everest is the highest point in the lithosphere. Various geological processes like weathering and erosion, volcanic eruptions and biochemical cycles take place in the lithosphere. Different terrestrial ecosystems like forests, grasslands, desert, etc. are found in the lithosphere. Activity. Take some time to think about the environmental damage you may have caused in the past day, week or a year as a result of your actions. You should then calculate how much destruction you will bring upon the planet during your lifetime if you keep doing what you are doing now. Now, hydrosphere. Hydro means water. So okay, lithosphere means a stone. Lithosphere means rock and hydrosphere means water. Lithosphere can be lithos, rock, and hydrosphere, that means water. Hydrosphere represents water masses on the planet present in solid ice-covered glaciers, etc., liquid water bodies, and gaseous water vapor spaces. Hydrosphere covers almost 3/4 of the total surface area of the Earth. Oceans and seas represents marine ecosystem which contains 97% of total water content, having a very high concentration of salts of the planet. The remaining 3% of the water resources are fresh water present in the form of glaciers. Rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. The hydrosphere is an integral part of the water cycle and plays a crucial role in maintaining normal climate, meteorological, physical, chemical and biological functions on the planet. Oceans and seas are the largest sinks of carbon in the environment. water, H2O on Earth. Okay, so uh, by after that I will discuss to the next video. So I think it is enough for you guys. So let's end the video. See you. Bye bye.